name is Lenka and I'm going to show you how to make a delicious, nutritious sesame seed milk with bananas, one banana, with some raspberries, with coconut oil, chia seeds, sweeten it with dates, or I don't have dates, so in my case it's going to be raisins. And the last thing is protein powder. Okay, so for the milk to strain it with, you can use something like a strainer, but even better would be a cheesecloth. I just use a cheesecloth or nut milk bag. Okay, so let's do it. You will need a high-speed blender. In my case, it's a Vitamix. If you are doing sesame seeds, I just, as you can see them, they are already soaked. I let them soak in a filtered water for overnight, really. 4 hours will be enough, but I just left it overnight. So then you strain it and place it in the blender, like that. You will need water. I like to use distilled water. So here we go. Again, how much water? It depends how much milk do you want. I like to fill up this container. So this bottle, which is 900 liters, a bit more, a bit over. So I like to fill it up with. So when done, pour the milk through this cheesecloth into the bottle. As you can see, it's nice and white, nice milky consistency. You help it a little bit.
And then get the raspberries into there, and the chia seeds go in there with the raisins, and then she'll just wait when that mixed together, and then put the milk into there.
Can I do it now? Finished. Okay, so then we pour the milk. I only pour it enough for 2 portions, and I save the rest in the fridge. Oops, sorry. It's better that way because it lasts longer and it's much more fresher when it is without the fruit. If you have with the fruit, it will not be as tasty. It spoils faster. So raspberries. How much really? How much? It depends, up to you really. How much raspberries? How many raspberries would you like? A banana, usually it's one is totally enough. You can put it in the fridge in a bin. I like to use coconut oil. This one is organic and raw. A little bit, good fat. And then you can sweeten it with some raisins.
Yeah,
If I use dates, I usually use like 3 dates would be totally fine for perhaps for sweeter taste. And the last ingredient will be this protein powder, about about 1 teaspoon. So let's blend it now. And voila! It will be enough for 3 people actually. Cheers!
Cheers.
Delicious, isn't it? That was it. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye!